Okay, we got a 2011 F-150, and the complaint is the headlights won't turn on. Let's see, they're off, turned on. And yeah, no headlights. So the customer said he already replaced at least one of the headlights and they still weren't working. So we figured we'd check the headlight switch. So in the scanner here, let's see. Body control module. Data. Lamp and lighting. Okay. So, let me get it down here. Actually, let's use this button. Okay, so shows here lights are off and left head lamp low beam inactive right now. Turn them on. Now it says regular. Turn them off. Off. Turn back on again. Then high beam. We'll kick that on. It says that's on. Kick that off. So we know that the body control module is getting the signal from the headlamp switch. So there's one other thing. Okay, so I went to the component testing on this Modus for this year vehicle, and exterior lighting, headlamp switch. Now reading through this component information, there's one thing I noticed here. The BCM provides an overload protection of the high beam output circuits when excessive current draw is detected, which means that BCM will disable the lights. And in a tech note, it says here, due to varying wattage ratings, aftermarket headlamp bulbs may cause the headlight circuit to operate at a higher amperage, resulting in excessive heat, blown fuses, inoperable headlamps, and possible component meltdown. Okay, so knowing that, and considering he just replaced at least one of the headlamps, if not both, we need to go check at the headlamps. Okay, I got the connector to the bulb unplugged. The middle one's ground, and then this one on the left here is low beam, and then the one on the right is high beam. Get these headlights out, it's pretty easy. You just got two bolts, one here, here. You gotta pull this flap back, and there's another bolt right down there. And then, see, these just got clips that push in up in there, so you just gotta kind of pull them out, or maybe use something like this to get behind it and kind of pry it out. Okay, let's go turn the lights on. Okay, headlights on. And see, we have voltage. So we're definitely getting power to the headlamp. So I think what's going on is what that tech note said is just this is aftermarket bulb and it's not liking it. Okay, and we're gonna load test this circuit too, just to make sure we don't have a broke or corroded wire somewhere. And So I got this bulb on here, and see it's lighting up. So our wiring's good. One thing I noticed when I pulled this bulb out, it was really hot, even though it wasn't lighting. So I don't know if it was just a bad bulb or if it's just the wrong bulb. I mean, it sounds familiar to what that technote was saying, though, would it cause excessive heat if it's the wrong aftermarket bulb. Okay, well, we figured out what the problem is. These headlight assemblies are aftermarket replacement. We went and got original bulb from the factory dealership, and you can see the headlights on, and it works. Okay, getting a look at these headlight assemblies. These are not OEM factory. This is some aftermarket thing going on here. So we got the bulb supposed to plug right into that, but with this aftermarket setup here, you got it going to all these other wires, and then it uses a totally different bulb. The factory bulb, got that from the dealership. Turn the headlights on. And see, it works with the factory bulb plugged right into the connector, how it's supposed to be. So, the owner's going to have to figure out if he wants to try to put OEM assemblies back in here, or I mean, I think that's probably what he's going to have to do. He's going to have nothing but problems with this. So there's aftermarket messing stuff up again. You might want to stay away from it.